Morning everybody, morning of day 3. Camped beside the Trestle, the 66-mile Trestle last night as I mentioned. Beautiful morning, not a cloud in the sky, so hopefully I can get some of the GoPro batteries charged up. And the GoPro is definitely my best way to record stuff during the day. I definitely don't want to ride holding my Canon camera in my hand. So yeah, I woke up this morning, had breakfast, did some bike maintenance. I should have showed you that stuff, and I will. I'll be doing it in 2 to 3 days again. But yeah, so I'm hoping to get up to Cowichan Lake today and pass there. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some wildlife sightings today. That would be sweet. As I was about to start recording, a bald eagle flew maybe 20 feet over my head and into the valley. I thought it landed, so I ran over with the camera, but no, I couldn't find it. So that would have been a great way to start the day. And yeah, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Check out the size of this slug. There's my hand, just for reference. It's a big one. Alright, talking. Just finishing up day number 2. Just camped out on this little site on the Cowichan Valley Trail. So yesterday I kind of just made my way from, like I said, from my buddy Jeff's house. Worked my way up to the Souk Wilderness Trail. Started doing some of that, the Irwin to Cowichan Trail. Very steep, kilometer-long climbs at about a 15% grade. 12 and if you're lucky. Today I went into the Cowichan Valley Trail. Started out with some insane climbs, but looking at the elevation chart, it looks pretty flat for the rest of the way, so really hoping so. Gonna have to make some equipment changes with the bike, like I've been saying. Too much weight in the trailer and on the back of the bike overall, so need to thin out something from the trailer and the 2 pannier bags as well. So when I get to a town, I may have to buy some. Not really in the budget, so yeah, but I don't know that I'd be able to do the whole trip with the setup I have now. Just too much weight in the trailer. So yeah, anyways, I'm just having dinner. I was gonna get a fire going. But it rained from about 2 in the morning till probably about 1 o'clock in the afternoon today, so everything is just soaked. I tried to get one going, but I'm too tired to mess around with it. So yeah, anyways, things are going great. The wilderness here is absolutely spectacular. I couldn't ask for more. It's everything I thought it would be. So yeah, ran into a guy on the trail today, said on this particular part of the trail last year we saw 5 bears and 2 cougars, so good chance I'm gonna get some wildlife sightings. So anyways, I just wanted to check in and let you know what's going on. I don't even know what I'm gonna get done kilometer wise tomorrow. It looks like BC and the island might be very challenging, so yeah, it is what it is. I'm having a blast. I'm loving it. This is what I signed up for. So yeah, I'll give you a little show around, and then I'm going to finish my dinner here and probably turn in soon. But yeah, so there's the camp, the tent. I'm kind of just camped in this little clearing. I don't know if it was an old road before, but yeah, you can kind of see, here's where I am. There's my tarp drying out. But yeah, pretty special, pretty great spot, and it's flat. That's the best thing. So anyways, that's another day in the books, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning. That's it for day 2. See you later. Ciao. Well, good morning everyone. Beginning of day 3. So, had a decent sleep. My neck's a little sore this morning. Can't seem to get it, the stiffness out of it, but anyways, today I will still be on the Cowichan Valley Trail, as I probably will be for the next couple of days, working my way up to Cowichan Lake, so you can check that out on a map if you'd like. If you're looking at the Great Trail, just click on the part that says Cowichan Valley. It's the section that goes through Cowichan Valley Provincial Park, so when you're on the Great Trail you'll see it. Anyways, hoping to get in some kilometers today. It should be flatter, and I'm really hoping I get to a town eventually that I can get these panniers situated on the front. Like I said, not in the budget, but I can't go on the way I've been going for too much longer. So anyways, that's the plan. Day 3, sorry, and I'll check in with you along the way. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, morning, beginning of day 3. Had a good sleep last night, bit of a headache this morning, stiff neck, probably both related. Anyways, looks like it's going to be a decent day. We'll still be on the Cowichan Valley. You can check that out on the Great Trail interactive map if you want to see where I'm at. Good morning, beginning of day 3. Had a good sleep last night. Bit of a headache, stiff neck, but nothing new to me. So yeah, I'm going to be on if you want to look on the interactive map on the Great Trail, I will be in the Cowichan Valley. heading up towards Cowichan Lake. So yeah, I will check in with you as the day progresses, and I'm just gonna have some breakfast now. So have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye. Alright everyone, I'm just at the Kinsel Trestle. The last one Trestle was called Trestle. So yeah, I'm just going to walk down here real quick. I got my bike up here, so I just want to show you a little view. Pretty crazy structure. Just probably going to go up to here because I don't want to leave my bike out there too long. But yeah, this is it. Pretty impressive, eh? Pretty crazy.
I don't know what happened. I forgot to do a sign off for day 4. I stayed at the Cowichan Lodge. Great place, clean, affordable rates. So yeah, that was day 4.